The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Welcome to the last day of the year, and we are starting out with a sell. We've been getting hit since, about an hour ago. Guys, very good morning. Very good morning. Today is Friday, December 30th. Remember, Monday, the room is closed. Markets are closed on Monday for the holiday. We'll be back on Tuesday. Good morning, Hubba. Guys, very good morning. I did not even bother turning bots on this morning, although they would all be green with the exception of what looks like crude, which chopped around early. Yeah, I didn't even bother. Today it's just going to be order flow trades. See if we can come up with some winning trades. We had a phenomenal trade again yesterday. It's been a very good week for order flow. But the ES, just for the record. Thank you, Albert. The ES would have had a nice winning trade this morning. Looks like all three targets were hit. Crude chopped around in here and then got a small winner so far. So crude would chop around. NASDAQ. Let's see what NASDAQ would have done. NASDAQ had a winning trade here, a winning trade here, and a winning trade here. So NASDAQ would be nicely green. YM also would be green. Losing short, but winning trade here and a winning trade here. You'd be green mildly on the YM. And natural gas. Let's see what we'd have done here. Loser, flipped into a short loser, then a big winner, and now a big winner. So natural gas would be close, maybe slightly positive. But in any event, guys, today is Friday. It's the last day of the year. Obvious last day of the week. I'm not going to bother watching bots today at all. I'm only interested in order flow trades today. If you guys are running bots, great. Your prerogative. Coming in, NASDAQ's down 111. Good morning, Michael. Happy Friday to you as well. Sam, good morning. Guys, if I missed most of you, good morning. ES is off 20, call it 5. YM's down 145. EMD and Russell are down. Gold is up a whopping 3 ticks. Silver's down, crude's off 40 cents. Natural gas continuing its purge with the warmer weather over the next 2 weeks. Looking at equities, Merck is up 40 cents. That is the only thing I see green. Merck. That's it. Merck. In any event, we'll see what we can come up with today. Let me do what I always do. Read the disclaimer. We'll look at charts. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results. Hang on, guys, 1 second. There we go. Have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Years ago, I used to pay very close attention to the 2-week weather pattern. Oh, it's going to go up at some point this winter. Natural gas, it's going to go up at some point. The thing with natural gas is you guys have to understand is gas trades based on, here comes NASDAQ, if anybody is short, 2-week weather patterns out. Anybody short NASDAQ? Anybody take that short? Okay, Irfan. She's coming, fellas. I mean, she's coming. I don't see any path. I don't see any path long for NASDAQ at this point. Just for what it's worth. Let's take a look at the volume, which I expect is going to be. Now we're right on par, 68,000 contracts. So volume is about normal. I don't know if we have news this morning. I don't think we do. We have no news. 10 o'clock, we have Mexico, November net outstanding loans. That should be a big one. We have no news today. 68,000 contracts have traded. We already have 2,300 net sellers. It looks like a blowout. It's setting up for a blowout. Yeah, there's a 90 block seller. 69 here. I guess nobody wants to hold anything over the weekend, huh? Nobody trusted that Santa rally yesterday. Chicago PMI at 945. Maybe I missed it. Next week we have CPI and non-farm payroll. Okay, next week will be fun. Next week's the blowout. We're going to get gapped down, obviously, in SPY, Qs. All right, natural gas hit my 52 to the tick. It got it on the previous candle. Watch this crude. That's the short 80. NQ targets on the downside. 0, Dean. Going to 0. Target number 1. You can take some risk off about 07. And then you can try to hold out for 850, which is the bottom of the hourly cloud. I mean, we're only 65 handles away. 15-minute is dead and buried. $907 first target, not maybe 8. I have no support on NASDAQ until we get to 889 and then 882. The green is 5-minute support. The yellow is 10-minute. I have no support. This should just keep selling. I would take the long at 845, 850. And that's the bottom of the hourly cloud. There's gonna be, if we trade down there, there will be a bounce. New 5-minute bars. I'm watching this crude. 80 is the break of that bear flag. Now, again, we could chop around in that bear flag for a while. We got 875. That's about what I have for first target, 7 to 8 within 3 ticks. I think it still comes. But if you guys want to reduce some risk, there are no buyers. No. No, Orphan. No. Morning, Thomas. ES is sitting on a shard of support here at 45. I don't think this holds long. Let's see here. ES. It's breaking. I like ES for the day. ES puts. All right, we got that 7-8 target one. Now your final target, or at least next target down, is going to be 89.90 if you're short NASDAQ. ES 38.20 puts are $7, 15s are 6. I think if you want to buy ES puts, you can buy ES puts. Thank you, Mimi. Anybody holding NASDAQ short? Yeah, target 2 on ES. Hang on. I think this is coming down to 36. Target 2, you know, maybe 40, 36, 35, and 30. Okay, Dean, nice job, Hubba. It's nice job, Ray. It is ominous here at the open. Nice job, Sam. So maybe 40 next target down on that ES. We're now below that support at 45 and hurtling back towards that 38.15. Anybody buy 38.20 or 38.15 puts, ES puts? Morning, Magnus. NASDAQ close to breaking the 900 number. And your next target down is 90. 90. You can buy 15s or 20s. 15s are 7.25. 20s are $6. $6 and $7. We could get a bounce if I look at this 15-minute on the ES. Thank you, Bob, for the great opportunity you give me by getting to know you in the past year. You had a great positive impact on me. That's what I live for, seriously. I look forward to be part of your community for the rest of your trading life. That's awesome. Thank you, I mean. DAX is down 1%. Worst year for the market since 2008. Crude resistance. I mean, we could trade back up. We're still trading in that bear flag. We just, in the current hourly candle, we tagged the rising trend line at 92. I got my eye on crude. Michael. Yeah, I agree with you. I mean, do. NASDAQ's not going anywhere, guys. We could bounce back to 24, but I don't think it's going any higher than that. If this pops up to 25, I'll look to short that with a 31 stop. This is just a bounce here. We've been down for a while. They're just bouncing this sucker. There's 20. Natural gas is getting interesting for a bounce. You can take natural gas long at 451, 501, 501 on natural gas. First target would be 528. Crude's bouncing up. I'm watching it on the hourly and on the small time frame. If we get a move up near 78.60 and then roll over, that would be the short. So I'm going to mark it right there. Guys, as a one last reminder, I'm going to stack buyer and balance now. Just need that swing at 03, and it'll get VWAP. NASDAQ's heading south again. ES is heading south again off that trend line. Come on, gas, let's go. ES can now dip down to 40, 41. Oh, 06 now, some resistance on natural gas. Come on, gas. Don't be a chooch. It goes here above that little swing now. Peter, would you send me an email and I'll do it after the close today? I appreciate it. Guys, slow coming into the top of the hour, though. See if we can get a bump in the top of the hour. This is what I have as the final target, $4.60. If this thing can get back up through 450, I mean, there's a potential for a big move. Crude's jocking around. Unfinished auction to get at 17 at some point. NASDAQ, they're just taking this back up. Same with the ES to sell it higher. All right, fellas. This is a freaking doop-de-doo. Well, we can't get above 25 yet. That was my short night. That's why I'm watching natural gas. I'd like to see this push up to 940 and then fail on the NASDAQ. I don't know that it can get there or not. All right, fellas. It's breakfast break. I'll be back, guys, in about 20 minutes. If you took them at 8 a.m. when we opened up, I gave you guys a ZB short, and the target was 27.30 seconds. That's been hit. We're getting a bounce on the hourly. Hourly could bounce back to 125 for 30 seconds, as could the 10-minute. I am, Charlie, yes. Oh, you went to the Titans game last night? The question is why? Why? I mean, if the tickets were small buyers coming in. If it goes above 30, you can take first target at 41. 30 entry, 41 target 1. 30 entry, 41 target 1. Still didn't get there. Oompa Loompa's trying. I think it goes, but the entry is 30. And then a 41 target. No, I don't want to comp. Big gap down in SPX, SPY. Watch that 30 entry, guys. It's right here. Target 1 is 41. Let them putz around in this area. It looks like they're trying to press it to that 89 target we were trying for earlier. Man, cannot get 30. It's going to short. Son of a bitch. Anybody that bought the options in the pre-market, ES options, if you bought those ES options, manage your account. 15s are now $7.25. 20s are $9. 20s are $9. Manage them as you see fit. They were 7 and 6 respectively. My entry is still 30, fellas. I don't have anything prior to that. We got that 89 target. We could still push to 82. Big sellers in this 3-minute block. We're trying to turn up here. If you're aggressive, you can take the long at 12. If you are aggressive, you can take the long here, right there. That's the aggressive entry, 12. My opinion, if you did not take it at 12, which is cool, you can take it at 30. First target is 41, regardless of where you took it. If you took it at 12, your target is 41. If you take it at 30, your target is 41. There's 30. Come on, Oompa Loompa, push here. 41, let's go. 36, come on, baby. Don't do it. Back test the break. Let's go, Oompa Loompa. Not watching anything but NASDAQ. Come on, 41. Come on. Have buyers. Got buyers. 257, 275. Back to 255. Buyers and sellers fighting it right here. You're getting a squeeze. There's 241 target hit and filled, whether you took it at 12 or you took it at 30. Target 1 is hit and filled. Next target up is going to be 55 if you're long. 55. 55. Stop is, for me, I always go break even. Okay, so if you're in at 12, you can be break even, or you can move it to that, somewhere where you see fit. 30 entry is out flat. You got target one only, 11 handles. Okay. You guys good? Everybody good? Sellers coming back. I still have a 55, give or take 57 target on the upside. Nice job, Brian. Nice job, Peter. Made $1,200. Nice job. Michael got target. Peter, nice job, guys. Still think we're going to VWAP 57, and then we see we should fade or fail VWAP. ES is failing VWAP. NASDAQ is turning over. You have a NASDAQ short on a break below 20. Never mind. It may only come to 16. Never mind. It would have to break 16. We're kind of in Crabsville here. If we break out above 50, we're going 70, FYI, on NASDAQ. If we get above 50, I think we go 70. Heavy selling in this 3-minute bar. It is getting absorbed largely, but heavy selling. If you guys want to try a short, I'm not gassed on the short. Never mind. Would be below 20, but I'm not gassed. Here, we're going up again, right here. Right there. Candle close, if you want to try the long again. I need a full candle close above this line. Okay? Full candle close. And now above here. So above 37.50. No buyers. 500 sellers. They're buying them. They're buying some. Let me look at this on a bigger time frame, guys. Yeah, we traded basically support to resistance. Hourly. Oh, shoot. I should have been short on the hourlies. I wasn't watching it hourly. Hourly resistance is that 49.50. If I had to take a trade, it's short if we get back up near there. If you're aggressive, you can short it here with a 52 stop. You may take some heat on it, but we're not going above 50. There's a trade long on this candle close. There it is. There's a trade long back up to maybe 40, 41. It's really a small target. I'm watching this on the hourly. I don't think we can get above 50. I'm more inclined to short it. If it rolls over, I'm going to short it. 500, we're over 2,000 net sellers. Yeah. Come on, drop down below that 20. That's all that's holding us is that 20. Man, 550 sellers and they can't drive this below 20? Seriously? Come on. Fall below 20. Come on. There it goes. Come on. There it goes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come to 06. There we go. Forget about Tesla. It's one stock. I care less what Tesla does. I don't care what any one stock does. I'm trading price action on the NASDAQ. I don't care about one stock. 06 is target. It hit it. Told you if it broke 20, it was coming down. And now we're going to come to 77 if anybody shorted it. 77, next target if you're short. 80, maybe 89, 85, 82, 77. Me too, Jeff. If anybody shorted, okay, Stuart, nice job. All right, so stop. You want to protect your stop back to break even. I don't think we're going back up. Little flag here again. Little flag here again. Yep, I was in at 21.75. Next target down, guys, 89. 89. I'm aware, Chicago PMI. I'm aware. Anybody that's in short, your stop is at break even, right? That's how I trade. So if you're short, your stop is break even. Regardless, if you took the break at 20, I told you if it broke 20, it was coming down. I told you it can't get above 50 on the hourly. She's a little cuckoo monkeys right now. Got 89, got 86.50, so you got the 89. What in the holy hell? Guys, they are selling these things like nobody's friggin' business. They are selling the living schnot out of these. You're out break even on anything left. We're now up to 2,500 net sellers. 2,500. In the last 6 minutes, they have sold 1,000 contracts. Nice job, Paul. Nice job. Happy New Year. I'll see you on Tuesday. We're not getting above 50, 51, 52, fellas. Unless I don't know where the buyers are coming from, but here's your next. Let's get rid of this. This is your next short, a break of 05. This looks like kind of an oblong M break. That's what I see as major. PMI in a minute and a half, minute and 15. $25.09, give or take, on the net sellers. Sellers are bashing the snot out of this thing. I had a news in 35 seconds. Dookie-doo. Sit tight, guys. $44.9 above the 40 expectation. All right, so your short, now that we're out of news, is 06. Made gold. Nice job. Robert's done for the day. Done for the year. Nice job, Robert. All right, crude. This is your short here, fellas. Didn't break. We know support, right? I think we nailed that. It's short. Come on. It's going to sell, I believe. We got sellers up the Kazister. Come on. No sell unless it comes through that line, guys. No sell. Right now, we're in the no-fly zone. I don't have a trade in this crap. Got some buyers. Break 06, and we start working down towards 875. Come on. She's going to trigger. ES is blowing. There's your short. Target number 1 is 92. Target number 1 is 92. Target number 1 is 92. Right there. Come on, 92. Let's go. Come on, sellers. Keep pressing them. Sellers are pressing. 2,600 sellers. 26. Come on, dog. Come on, sellers. Press them right now. Let's go. Come on, break, 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 break. Oh, you stink face, no good dog face pony soldier. Came to 93. Come on. There we go. 92 to the freaking tick. Take some risk off. Hit it to the tick. Take some risk off. Hit it right to the tick, 92. Next move should take it down to 89, 85, and then 82. There we go. You got it anyways if you held out for that extra few ticks. We got 89. Next level, next target is 85, then 82, where we should bounce. And then we work down to 72. Gold is short back to VWAP if you want a gold short, 26.3 to 25 target 1. There we go, guys. Over but the crying for the NASDAQ. Done. There's 72 target. Monster. Whale. Whale trade, fellas. Whale trade. Still going if you're holding them. 850 target. That's the bottom of that hourly cloud. 850. Everybody good? Oof. 3,200 sellers. They're blowing them out, fellas. They're killing them now. If we break below 56, we come 840. Thank you, Brad. Guys, this is anybody still holding ES puts. The 15s are now 825 bid from $6. You're up 25 cents. The 20s are 10 bid from 7. Made $1,200 with the last NQ move. You're welcome. Nice job, Joe. Nice job, guys. All right, we didn't break that 57. We're coming into the bottom of the hourly cloud. We'll probably get a bounce, 845, give or take. Boom. Boom. Nice job, Jeff. Up $1,800. Nice job, James. Done for the year. See you on Tuesday, my friend. Nice job, fellas. Nice job. All right, Virgilio. I really don't want to hear your shit. For real, I don't. Until you start texting me your trades. 25 target hit on nice job, $1,500 day. Happy New Year, Jeff. Same to you. Nice job, Michael. I mean, if anybody is losing money, they're not trading or they're not holding the targets. $1,100. Nice job, Michael. Keith up $1,350. Nice job. Nice job, fellas. Nice job, guys. Same to you, Peter. See you Tuesday. Yeah, you know, green and should be gone. What do you mean should be? Green and gone. Green and gone. Thank you, James. I appreciate that, man. That's right. Get them, dogs. Go beat Ohio State. All right, a little bit of a retracement, guys. Back up into maybe 900 resistance. I don't even have a. Natural gas has exceeded everything I had. I mean, if it keeps selling, 422 on natural gas. 422. I got to adjust charts, guys. Boy, that was a big bounce off 55. 500 buyers came in. We're right into resistance. This is an interesting short here. Let's see what happens here. Come on. Buyers are trying, but we're into pretty good resistance here. We faded out of that 900. I don't think this can move. I'll take it again if it rolls over. Maybe below 80. Apple looks like it's going to puke again. Losing most of the buyers. Had 400 down to 200. Watch this roll over. Not yet. We could push up, I guess, a little higher. Could try to make a move to 9, 10 to 15. I don't think so, but small closed candle with 238 buyers, head over 400 at one point. Looks like it's going to turn again, guys. Watch a break of that line. That's your short again. Three minutes to the next 15-minute bar. Happy New Year, Modar. See you on Tuesday. Apple's trying to hold this bottom. Small buyers. Crude's still going. Come on, turnover, baby. Buyers are trying, but there's just not enough buyers. Okay. Couple hundred buyers. 925 is still going to be resistance. Let them bid. Let them bid. See if it holds the support. Okay. Down to 2,500. Geez, that took 2 days. Greg A. I'm watching for a failure here. This could come back 96. 97 is going to be support. If that breaks, they'll sell this hard. Yeah, this is where I think short. Little bit of support here. It's just a bounce. Let's see here, guys. Come on. Bounced off the standard line. No, I don't think it holds. I think we pushed down to 94. Come on. Come on. If we break 97.50, if we break this area in here, this starts to move down again. Come on, dog. Come on. Sell them. Sell them off. Come on. Come on. Break here. Right here. If this breaks, it's going to get slaughtered. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Oompa Loompa. Break. Break. Another 400 sellers in here, guys. Back up to 28, 2,900. We're just holding minor support. This is what's got to go. That spot, 96, 95. You guys can be short the NASDAQ. You guys can short the NASDAQ. Short the NASDAQ. Come on, take this break here, and it could be a flush. Come on. It's holding one standard deviation, but this is a little bit of support. 420 sellers in here, 15, 10, back to 420. Sellers are pressing the hell out of them. Next 2-minute bar is in 14 seconds. 11 minutes for the next 15-minute bar. Come on. Come on. Gold. Anybody short gold? Anybody take gold? Got your first target and now just wailing on it. Anybody short gold? Come on, break down, NASDAQ. Break. Come on, should come down to 89. Let's go. Come on. It's holding this. Man, we catch this tag right here. $21.5. I'll look at a bigger chart. What about crude, man? I'm surprised crude didn't blow out. Crude is turning over as well. If you guys want to try a crude short, you can short 15 with a 49 stop. Come on, NASDAQ. Juggling act here with no buyers. 2,900 plus net sellers. Come on. Here she comes. She's coming. She's coming. She's coming. I hope you guys are short. Come on. You got some target one maybe at 92. Take some risk off at 9. There it is. You got target one. We've got a demand zone here. Got to push down. If we catch this next little swing here, it's over but the bitchin'. Seriously, it's over but the bitching. Come on, baby. Come on, sellers. 3,200 sellers. Net negative delta increasing. Remember, stop always goes to break even. We got members that won't pay me $199 a month. Sheesh. It's inconceivable. I don't know how she's holding up, but she isn't going to hold long, fellas. She just can't. I mean, they've sold 700 contracts in the last 6 minutes. 3,200 net negative delta. I don't know what she's hanging on to. If you're short, stop us break even. I believe we are building a 2-minute bull flag, but who cares on a 2-minute? If this thing dumps down below that line, she's foobarred. Your target is 853. ES holding value area low at 35. This is the calm before the break, guys. It's shorts, fellas. I'm just telling you, it's shorts with patience. This is the line in the sand right there. They're still wowing them. Sellers are still wailing them. I don't know how this thing is not puked. Crude is short. Crude is short. Target one is 80, 78, 82. Call it 82. Gold was big. Come on, you rat bastard. Seriously, are you going to pop up to 98? It is building a 2-minute bull flag, but again, I don't really care about a 2-minute bull flag. Come on, break that line and sell them right back down to 850. Here it comes. They just stepped on their throat again. 3,300 net sellers. Come on. Come on. This thing's allergic to that line. Come on. Who's short and puckered? I know somebody is. Come on, you rat dog. If you guys are uncomfortable, take your glutes are feeling. If you guys are uncomfortable, take your risk off. When that line breaks, I don't care when it is. 2 minutes from now, 2 hours from now, it's going to flush. I just don't know how the hell they are holding this here. I really don't, because the sellers are pounding the living daylights out of them. There's 3 guys in a hut in Istanbul that are trying to buy these things. I don't get it. Got 100 buyers just come in, but it's not going anywhere. Apple is flat. I'd really like to see Apple blow down. through the day low. Nvidia's off. Everything. Baidu's off. Tesla's up $1 at 122.78. The high of the day was 124.48. Netflix off $6 today. LRCX off $6 today. Wow. NASDAQ has no business finding a bid. None. Literally none. You guys should be out at break even. I gave my stop on CL, dude. 48. Came down to 08. Come on, crude. I really want to see, Jack, crude roll over. If it breaks 79, it's heading straight for the bottom of that channel, I would think. Yeah. No worries, man. No worries. I apologize because I'm generally myopically focused on NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Just give up the damn ghost. Guys, with 3,000 sellers, I have zero interest in taking along. I don't care where this thing goes. I'm not interested. Natural gas, I'm done with for the year. We'll look at that again Tuesday. I'm not interested in trading that. All right, target number one on crude, Jack, and anyone else that may be short crude has changed. Target number one is now 98. 98. We have rising support. Target number one on crude, 98. We're at 79.13. Okay? 98. And then if you have runners, you can try for the breakdown. Apple's getting a bid. NASDAQ still shorts. It's just really choppy and shitty. I don't have it long, guys. You can short it here at 94 with a stop at 12, 912. It really has to break 83. And then if it breaks that 83, the target becomes 55. Come on, you rat bag. Not taking any longs. I don't care what it does. There's just not enough buyers, guys. You got 100 buyers in this candle. Not enough for me. Yeah. That's all right. We're making money. SPY's gotten a nice push. ES relatively flat. I can make a case for an ES long at 43, but it's not one I want. Nice job, Chris. Happy New Year. See you on Tuesday. All right, crude. Anybody that is short crude, we're almost to target 1. We hit 01. 98 was my first target. If you guys want to take it off here 4 or 5 ticks ahead of that target, feel free. We do have a lot of buyers in crude today. There's 01 again. You're $30 from target 1, so you guys might want to take some risk off, go to break even, and hope for the complete failure. Your choice. You can hold out for those last 3 ticks. Same to you, Ray. Happy New Year. It is rolling over, though. Crude is rolling over. You can drop your stop to 31 if you want to hold it. If we can crush below VWAP, crude will get absolutely, I think, tanked. Let me take a look at SPX. Looks like you can get to 26 to 30. SPY, no bueno. I had a negative delta in the previous 10-minute bar at 17,600. It's now down to 8,200, so they're buying SPY. All right, crackhead, back up to 25. Guys, just give me 1 minute. ES is at least on top of VWAP. Bottom of the hour coming. Man, turn these things back on. Turn these suckers back on. I still have a 17 target, guys. And then 12. 17 and 12. And then 01. There you go. There's your short. Come on. 17 is target 1. 17 is target 1. Come on, dog. One more candle. Sellers back in. Come on. And they bought a few back. Here we go. Come on. Give me a new candle. Give me 17 target. Come on. Give me a rip shady. Let's go. ES failing. 22. You're going to have some support at 19, but I still think we get 17. Boom. 17 target hit. Oh, a quarter. You shitting me? 1 tick? How did I miss that? Next 2-minute bar, I think, pukes it. Next 2-minute bar. 17, then 13, then 5. Those are the targets I have. 17, 13, 5. Missed by a dang tick. Man, that's annoying. Come on. Break back below 20. There, come on. For those of you guys that do not know, that's a 34 EMA. It's holding the 34, but I'm not interested in the longs here off the 34. If you guys did not take any profits and you want to kill it here at your entry, your prerogative, I still think it breaks down. We got a new candle on the 5-minute. Target 1 is 17. I got quarter on the last push. Here it comes. Got 17 now to the tick. It's got 16 and a half. All right, so target is now hit. Very thin area of the cloud here. There comes your 13. You got next target down at 13. If 13 breaks, we get 06. If 13 breaks, we get 06. Then we get 01. Right? Stop would be at break even now. Stop is break even. Gold is rolling at VWAP. Short gold. Gold is short. 23.5. Crude is trying. Come on, crude. Come down below VWAP and kill yourself. Gold is short, fellas. Come on, NASDAQ. Let's go. Speed it up. Break 12.5. Speed it up. I'm going to need a Red Bull for this. And I've already had 20 ounces. Come on. ES not helping, holding support. All right. Sellers are stepping on them again. If anybody is short, your next target is 06. This is what has to go now. That's that 12.5. There it goes. Come on. Bust it. Bust him in the mouth. Bust him in the mouth. 06, then 01. 06, then 01. Come on, dog. This really should not bounce until we get to 01. Yeah. Red Bulls are good for it. The ones I drink are sugar-free. They're healthy. I know. That's what I said. That's right. I don't know. It's healthier than bourbon, isn't it? There's 06. Next target's 01. She's bleeding to 01, fellas. Bourbon's healthier? I'm going to go get a bourbon then. Thanks, Greg. Well, we got 06. Nice. Come on, NASDAQ. She's still short, guys. Do you, Greg? Man, I have a gym in my basement that rivals most 24-hour fitness. I don't even know where it is. Somewhere in the house. Joe, the only trade copiers I know are Apex has one and Replinko. Those are the only two I know. I'm not sure how good either is. I mean, I have Apexes. All right, well, we got 20 to 06, 14 handles. Do, 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 NASDAQ is parked at 45, but I don't think we're staying here long. Maybe, let's see here, it's 10:35, so this closes at 45. I think ES by 11:30 is going to break up. Gold, first target for me would have been 22.2. Let me look at gold again. Yeah, it just needs to dip below 23 again. SPY. No interest in NASDAQ longs. Come on, crude. Do the do. Just blow it the heck out, man. All right, NASDAQ, going to try it again. If you guys are brave and adventurous souls, that's your long right there at 28. I myself am not that adventurous, but that's your long, 28. First target, maybe 35, 34. Not for me. I'm not interested in 6 handles, but that's where it starts, right? 28 with a 34. Crude is breaking down, guys. Short crude. Short crude. Short crude. Crude is February. This is, yeah, short crude. Let me look at crude here. Yeah, it's just holding this little support at 98. It's got to break below 98. Here it comes. There it is. Boom. Boom. There goes crude. Boom, chakalaka. Below 84, we get 78.59. 78.59 on crude if you're short. It's got to break below 84. That's the bottom. 61 is the bottom of the trend line. So this could break. That's that uptrend line on that chart I showed you guys on the hourly. If that 61 breaks, this could flush. Anybody short crude? If you are, target one is going to be 85. Target one is 85. Target one is 85. We just got 86. Are you kidding me? There we go. Target one hit. And we broke 84. Here she comes, fellas. Train, train. This is going to be a train. Come on, baby. Let's go get 59.60. If we break VWAP, this is going to be a flush if you're running any. So NASDAQ is kind of jacking around doing nothing. Now we really need this crude to blow down through VWAP, and I think it gets pummeled. Okay, stop, go back to, you don't want your stop, I don't know where you're in, but 79.10. Would be a stop. NASDAQ ES, really not tradable at this moment, guys. Let me see what volume is. They didn't give me 1030 volume. No. Here comes gold. Here comes gold. Come on, baby. Nice job, Michael. Nice job. SPX turning over. Everything is turning over. I mean, this is it for crude right here, guys. I do not think crude is going anywhere, but lower. Greg, are you sure? Greg H, are you short crude? What's your entry? $68. Let me look at crude here, fellas, on another time frame. Yeah, crude's next target is 62. Little bit of support is 62. 77. Oh no, 77, 72. That's the channel down there. I don't know what that is. NASDAQ attempting again. That could end up being the pivot for the morning. NASDAQ is long, guys. I'm not taking it long. I have zero interest. ES still hanging in there. Guys, I'm going to stick around till 11, which is a little later than I normally do on a Friday. Ordinarily, I'm done about 10:45 on Friday. I'll stick around to 11, see if we can't get some movement. Maybe we'll stick around a little bit longer. We may get something into the close of Europe. Is anybody holding crude? I got here we go. Let's see if I can find it. I got a pretty funny email. See if I can find it in the 7 million emails that I have. Crude's on the cusp of completely blowing down. NASDAQ is just chopping around. There goes crude. It's over, fellas, in about 1 minute. Gold, target one has been hit. Target one has been hit. Okay, Ray, nice job. Ryan, nice job. Target one has been hit on gold. Let's see if I can find this. Maybe I didn't save it. I guess I didn't save the email, guys. Somebody sent me an email, one of our members, I don't remember who. Just thanking me for the time in the room. They had been with John Carter and his group of merry traders for quite some time and did nothing but lose money. Crude's going to puke down to 60 and break the bottom of that cloud if it does. NASDAQ, guys, is just chopping around. This is just really a very difficult trade here. There's not much going on. There's no real no real movement. It neither wants to break up or down. Gold was a good trade. Crude is a good trade. I will be completely candid. Awesome, Francis. Happy New Year. Oh, now we're getting a bid. Oh, okay. Look at this. The old 1047 move. Nice job, Thomas. Up 1450 across 4 accounts. You are welcome. At one point, I followed John Carter, and one of our members does. I've lost more money trading his option trades than I can tell you. I never made money with his option trades. I gave up on him years ago. He might make $18 million a year, but he ain't sharing those trades. John Carter, he's arguably the best trader. I mean, the guy makes $18 million a year. Seriously. He's huge. You wouldn't know that by me. Or one of our other members who follows him. I won't say who. Look at this. We're now turning into longs, fellas. All right, anybody still holding that ES trade from about 30 minutes ago? Yeah, I didn't want to say your name. I don't want. Look at this bid. Anybody still holding an ES trade? I gave ES a long while ago. 55 is target one. And it's going to get there in about 2 minutes. Look at this bid, you son of a gun. Now they're going to torture the shorts into the close of Europe. Down to 1800. All right, let's get rid of this. No longer relevant. That would be support if we come back into that. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Italian health minister said they have not found any new COVID-19 variants. Because Fauci retired. Did the person that was in charge of overseeing Fauci retire too? Does anybody know? For those of you that don't know, it's his wife. I'm just wondering if she retired with him. Well, they gotta drive, they gotta drive Moderna, Pfizer, and Johnson and Johnson much lower, so they can all buy it cheaper, and then come out with something that scare the shit out of half the country. All right, we're gonna pull back probably to 31. See if we get a pullback into VWAP. Crude, guys, is going to go. Man, they bought 600 contracts, 588. I don't know. This could be the reload for the shorts. I don't know. They got the shorts trapped now, fellas. The shorts are trapped. That would be Europe. So now here's what they're going to do. They got Europe closes in 40 minutes. They've got Europe short, and Europeans will have two choices. Hold whatever it is that they're short until Tuesday, or cover the short at a loss, which will send this market up higher. So there could have been short cover. Who knows? You just got done reading a book called Virus. The author claims that the COVID virus has a strain of the HIV virus so that it's resistant against antibiotics. I mean, nothing would shock me. If anybody took the short, your first target is 35. And we got 37. Do have 400 sellers in here now. Should get 35. Come on. ES turning over below 45. Come on, NASDAQ. Looks like we're going to trade back down, guys. NASDAQ gets really dicey below 24. It can sell hard below that 24 area. Let's see here. Jonathan, there's your 35 target one. I didn't save it. I wish I did. Let me see if I can find it in my junk. I don't know why I wouldn't save that email. Let me see here. I don't remember who sent it, so. Consequently, I don't remember which email it was sent to. I'll see if I can find it later. Anybody short NASDAQ? 35 is your first target. Yeah, I can't. It's not in my inbox anymore. All right, 35 target 1 is hit and filled. Listen, it would be hard. I would be hard pressed to try to compare myself to a guy that makes $15, $18 million a year. I wouldn't even attempt to do that. And he probably has forgotten more than I'll ever know. But he's not the one calling out futures trades either. The people in his room, again, I've got a member here. I won't say his name because I'm recording this, who is still a member with him, his options. And generally passes on most of them. So if you got first target at 35, you have a free trade. We're coming down, fellas. This is the beginning of the end. Below 24. Thank you, Irfan. Listen, guys, I'm good in a niche market. I'm good in a niche area. I'm very good at small time frame trading. If you asked me to look at a daily chart or a monthly chart, and pick a long-term trade, probably you don't want me doing that. It's just not my area, where I've focused. We're coming down, guys. If you're not short, this is the NASDAQ gets foobarred here trade below 24. Anybody holding shorts? You got first target at 35. You're 10 handles below that. Anybody holding NASDAQ shorts? Here comes top of the hour. Nobody short? Okay. Oh, okay, we got a bunch of you guys short. Okay. And you're short ES. I think ES is going to see that third, and CL. I'm waiting for CL to break below VWAP. Once it does, it's completely over. 60 is going to be some support on crude. Yeah, I'm not very tall myself. I'm 5'10", so I'm short. You're welcome, Don. Happy New Year. Guys, I'm trying to be a little comical. All I really care about at the end of the day is that my group makes money every day. We're 11 o'clock in the morning on the last trade day of the year. Is there anybody at this point that is not made money, that is not green? Is there anybody that has not made money? How much are you guys down? I just gave a NASDAQ short. Obviously, you didn't take it. How much are you guys down? What do I need to find? Yeah, this is going to break. I'm telling you, crude is going to break. Yeah, I'm waiting. Well, I'm not worried about an evaluation account, Stuart. No disrespect. Let's pick that up next year. Happy New Year, Francisco. Guys, if we break below 24, and I believe we will, NASDAQ's going to get pounced. 2,500 and change on the net negative delta. We're basically holding, for those of you guys that are newer or may not know, these dots that I use, these Ludwig levels, yellow is basically the line in the sand. Okay? Above yellow, we theoretically are trading longs, and below yellow, we are trading shorts. I'm waiting for a break below 24, which is a pivot. So the first target was 35 on that small short, good for about 10 handles. And we got about 10 handles below that. So it's good for 20 handles. Crude, I believe, is going to completely break down. We're holding a 2-minute trend line. I'm looking at it fairly. Let it bounce up. I don't care. Come on, break 24 and just kill yourself. Want to see this dip below 31 into that 24. She's slow. Come on. We held 31. I don't think it holds long. Not with 10 buyers. Crude can retrace to 04. NASDAQ, I still don't think is going anywhere. I mean, we could pop back up to 60, I guess. Maybe 46. I don't think it does, but guys, I'm trying to get us one last trade for the year. I'm not interested in longs. This is my breakdown area here. We get below 24 and it starts the move down again. Got a 2-minute bear flag. Come on down, dog. In a very thin area in the profile. I'm at 900, 10,900. Yeah, there's a pretty good trend line here on a 2-minute as well. I mean, I'm looking at it, but if we break down below that pivot at 24 and hit that pink line at 20, I think this is going to sell aggressively. I have a short. I just don't like the stop because this could power up 30 handles. If this were a Tuesday, maybe. Friday, I'm leaving with my money, and I will be done. Does he, Randy? I didn't know that. Go ahead. Bid. Guys, just give me 1 minute. We got target 1 at 10, guys. Now I think we're going to break down a little bit of support, top of the 2-minute cloud. And then we break down to 900 even. This is my last trade of 2022, fellas. We're going to wrap up 20. Chin chin is, let's see, hang on. Let me see what that says. Chin chin, as the French would say for toast. Okay. Chin chin. Here's where we break down. We're going to break down. Got it on 1 again. You're crying all the way to the bank. You're welcome, Michael. Make a deposit for me, man. You're welcome, Nolan. Great testimonial, guys, from one of our members. Thank you for an amazing introduction into being profitable. Yeah. Guys, I want to wish, you're welcome, Amin. I want to wish each and every one of you your effort this year. Much appreciated. Thank you, Ed. I want to wish each and every one of you a happy and blessed new year. Let's be profitable and prosperous in 2023. Okay, guys? Seriously. I'm done trading for the year. I will indeed. You're welcome. Thank you, Paul. I appreciate that. I am done for the year, fellas. I will be on Skype in a bit. You're welcome, guys. Thank you, Wayne. See you next week. Happy New Year to you, Lori. You and your husband as well. Happy New Year. Thank you, Becky. Here comes the breakdown, fellas. It's coming. It's coming. It is a coming. It's just holding the top of a 2-minute cloud. Once this poops, it comes to 900, a break of 900, and I think she's over but the crying. I will see everyone on Tuesday. Once again, one last reminder. For those of you folks that were in order flow class, thank you, Patrick. Man, we've been together 10 years, you and I. Brad, if he's still in the room, been around almost that long. Got a few of you guys in the room that have been around 10 years. It's crazy. I've gotten a lot better in 10 years, wouldn't you say, Patrick? Thank you, Brad. I appreciate you. Go Irish! We need to win this bowl game today, Brad. I really don't want to end the year on a loss. Thank you, Deepak. Guys, have a great weekend. Enjoy your 3-day holiday. I hate them. On Monday, I'll be chewing my fingers off, as you guys know. If you guys are in the second class, here comes the breakdown, guys, if you're still short. If you guys were in the second order flow class, I've sent emails. I will be canceling your link as soon as I close the room. If not today, tomorrow morning. I hope to have you guys with me. Let me know what you'd like to do. If not, I want to thank you for your time. And here comes the breakdown, guys. I want to thank you for your time in the room that you spent with me, and I sincerely wish you well. Guys, be blessed. Enjoy. Be safe on New Year's Eve. Thank you, Fred. I will see everybody on Tuesday. Here's the breakdown, guys. 900 coming. Train.